So what is it? Well, it's a Tinker, right? Actually, it's a Tinker small. This is a 91 millimeter. So 84. Tinker small. Simple. Oh, wait a minute. What about the small blade? So what is it? This whole top layer is a Sportsman, right? Big blade, nail file, opener layer. But the Sportsman had corkscrew. The Tinker has Phillips, but as far as I know, they never made a Tinker with the nail file. All right, well, it's a mod. Well, maybe, but you're gonna take the trouble to pull apart a Sportsman and a Tinker. You're really gonna use the branded scales? Like, maybe? There's not even a scratch on this knife. It's possible. I just don't think it's a mod. So my only guess is it was a special run they used for branded knives. I don't know. You tell me. I'm really curious, because as far as I can tell, they never made this knife. It's kind of cool. Anyway.